Cracker Barrel, which that's a baby crying. Smart job. Anyways, went to Cracker Barrel, and Cracker Barrel was the first time I've ever been there, and it's pretty garbage. I don't like it. The meatloaf was alright. The steaked fries was probably the best. No, it wasn't even the best thing because then they have too much seasoning salt or sea salt on there. So for people that like Cracker Barrel, y'all don't have good tasting food, or y'all just don't like good cooked meals. It's crazy when you're up on the trail and you're hearing other people's conversations. Some conversations just like, what the like, really? It's like, wow.
What is this? What is this? It's Those
Designer. What's up, y'all? That's right. I start a normal video by saying what's up, y'all. I'm not ranting. I'm here at Zion National Park. I'll go down the river real quick because y'all know me. I'm a water bug. I'm a Gemini where everything. This is, I think they said Virgin River. I think. Yeah, it's nice. It is cold. It's very cold right now. It took me about 2 hours to courage up and get out the sleeping bag to go to the bathroom. In California, we don't do 30 below temperatures. But I gotta get used to it because, you know, I do want to do the PCT someday soon, or some year soon, since I'm learning all the things that's required for it. Yeah. Anyways, we're going to hike up a little hill. Hopefully get good scenery, get some good pictures in. This hike is supposed to be about 3-hour hike, so 6-hour round trip, I think. I think it's a 6-hour round trip. That's my theater, and there's my brother. My brother's playing Pokemon. See, there's a crossover down here. Got a map right there of all of it. Okay. Right here. Yep, you're right. All right, so here we go. I'm doing a short little hike called the Watchmen Trail. It's pretty short. Elevation change, whack. But we're gonna do this. And you know me, I'm definitely gonna go off trail, so hopefully my brother don't get mad that I'm missing for that long period of time. But I don't like pictures. Let's see what we see. Uphill we go. It's a national park, idiot. Duh. But I do got my drone in the car. Let's go. How you doing? Good, good. What's funny is where I live at, elevation gains go to like 1,000, 2,000 feet. This trail, I think it said 370 something, which of course there's a lot higher elevation changes here, but I think all the thru hikers can laugh at me when I say 1,700, 2,000 feet elevation gain and drop. I can laugh at this 300 one. Really. Not Donner. Well, how high did we go up on Donner? I think we started 6,000, 7,000 feet and went up to 8,000 at Donner. But we already started high. For Mount Talopis or whatever you want to call it, I cannot pronounce it, forgive me. We're starting like 100 some odd feet, and we went up to about, never mind, Donner. I think we went higher in Donner. Oh, cactus. But I haven't ate yet either. I left the cook system at the thing. So nice. Yeah. And look at my background. Jeremiah was right. Can't get much better than this. Or don't get much better than this. How y'all doing? Oh, good, good. Took my mask off. Oh, look at this, y'all. Got a little critter up there. Hi, how you doing? Good, good. That's so dope. I like that, that's dope. Got the switchback. It's so nice. my background. They're taking pictures, so I'm gonna wait. This trail is busy. There's a lot of people on this trail, so for future reference, find a trail that's probably more challenging, because this is a very simple trail. Find a trail more challenging, go on with less people, because there's a lot of people on this trail.
What is this? What is this? It's
Designer. It's funny. I don't even know if this is going to be part of the new video, but oh man, this is nice. You know what's even funnier? As I'm people watching from up here, I promise you there's somebody watching me. Out here chilling.